Yeah, back again. This is the Slurpee machine. 2-barrel model is a FBD 562. This one had issue with the it had a shutdown. Compressor ran too long, shutdown. Just a few notes on that. I'm not going to go into the repair and stuff. So they're a little short on time, so I gotta get these machines to freeze back down. But basically, this one, both barrels shut down, and then had a hot compressor shut down because the compressor got too hot. Because there's a fan up top here. That's the fan up top, and that fan was not turning, so it wasn't allowing the heat to escape. So that caused the compressor to overheat, and the compressor has an internal heater in it. And then that's all I did was I ended up changing out the contactor, which is this right here. You can see it's a little burnt. So that compressor was sticking, and then at times it was shut off mid-cycle, and that would help it to cool down. But that contactor was bad, and this capacitor is bad. This is a 40 microfarad capacitor, which is to run the compressor for the product to freeze, for the barrels to freeze down. But this was bad also. So that's just a quick little look at FBD Slurpee machine, 2-barrel. Watch for more little tips later. Thank you.